It's sure been a while now since I seen your smile, but I know somehow. Hope you're proud and you're looking down. 3 bros and a little sis, try not to reminisce. Some days are hard and it hits. If only I could turn back time and take the cancer away and the pain in your eyes. Was it dumb to go home and realize the end was near all this time? Show no fear, telling me you're fine. So I went on, thinking what can go wrong, until I got a call saying dad's in a coma. Say your last word before he's gone. That's when it hit me, this can't be. He's only in his 60s, too young to leave. Little sis and bro are too young to grieve. They were by your side the whole time, till the last breath you had to breathe. And all these thoughts of being young and growing up, all the stuff you taught me, I didn't thank you enough. So I wrote this song, hope you can hear it up above. Life's still the same, we don't argue as much. Put away the blame, we all still stay in touch, yeah. One thing I need to address is the pills the doctors give you to ingest. Was all for profit in their best interest, was to ease the pain for their investment. They got so many people down here addicted. I just wished it would have been different. Earlier years, drinking away